Patel, Assistant Professor at LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology in the Department of Instrumentation and Control. Today's our topic is analog signal processing in the unit number 7, analog PLC operation. In the last two sessions, we will study about how to convert this AC voltage to this particular DC and then particular bit and then particular output that is given to the particular process, and then we have to study about the how to convert this BCD input to the binary, and then we have to check this particular output using the program that is given for this particular system. Now today's our topic is analog input and analog or the BCD output. That means input is given in the analog form and we can get or we can find out the output in the analog or the BCD output. So analog signal is 0 to 10 volts come in through a converter to an input module. The signal is to be scaled to 1 by 5 of its value by the CPU and then sent out through the output module. The output is also to be sent to a BCD output display. So here the analog signal is given, so we can take input as the analog signal. If there is conversion is needed, that we have to convert this analog signal as we discussed earlier. The input is given in the AC format. Okay, and if we have given the DC voltage, so we have to convert this AC voltage to the DC. So input, if conversion is needed, then this input is given to the input module terminals and the range will be given 0 to 10 volt. After that, we have to convert this 0 to 10 volt into 0 to 1024 using the analog signal processing. This bit or this binary number is given to the CPU. Then we have to divide by 5, that is given in the problem. Whatever value is given, we have to divide by 5. Then we have to convert this binary number into the BCD value, because here two output is there. The first one is the analog and the second one is the BCD output. Okay, so we can take two output modules. First for this analog output device and the second one is the BCD display. Now here the important thing is, after the CPU process we have only the binary number 0 to 1024. So if we require the BCD display, so we have to convert this binary number into the BCD value, and the range of the BCD will be 0 to 9999. So using the command of the PLC software, we have to convert this binary number into the BCD number, and then this output is given to the BCD display. So first of all, we have to apply the input. If there is conversion is needed, so we have to convert this input. Then this input is applied to the input module terminal. After output of the input module is the binary number. This binary number is given to the CPU. Then we have to process in the CPU using the PLC software. Again, the output of the CPU will be binary number. And then if we require the another format, then we have to convert this binary number to this particular system. Here the BCD display is given, so we have to convert this binary number into the BCD number. So first of all, in the program we have to use the division function, because we have to divide by 5 to the input module. So what is the format of the division? We have to take two operand, operand number 1 and operand number 2. In the operand number 1, IR 0017, operand number 2, 5, that is given in the problem, and the destination address will be stored at the OR 0024. Input is given IN0016 and the command of the division is DV0111. So after this rung, they will be divided by 5 for this particular value. Now we have to convert this binary number to the BCD. So what is the command? It is DB0111. Input is applied IN0016. And what is the block format of the binary to BCD? As we discussed in the last session, if we have to convert the BCD number to the binary, the command is BD. And if we convert the binary number to the BCD, the command is DB. The block format is same for the both of the conversion. We have to take one operand OR0031 and then we have to save or store the data into particular another output OG0024. As you know, OR is the output register. But what is the OG? OG is known as the output group. Okay. Now the next one is the BCD BCD or analog output. So the input is given in the BCD format. And then we have to convert this BCD number to the binary. Then we have to take or we have to apply the PLC software programming, and then we have to convert this BCD into the analog output. So what is the problem is given? A BCD input 0 to 9999 is received by an input module which places the value received into the register IR0004. A fixed value of 180 is to be subtracted from the value received and the result is to be sent out the 0 to 9999 BCD output display. Additionally, the output value is to be placed in a 0 to 20 milliampere analog output module. So, reading this sentence, you have to clear that BCD input is given, to BCD input is given. So, first of all, we have to convert this BCD value into the binary and two output display is given. The first is 0 to 9999 BCD output display and the second one will be 0 to 20 milliampere analog output module. So first of all we have to draw the two input. Input is applied if conversion is needed. Which type of input is applied? BCD input. So in the input module, compulsory conversion is needed, BCD to binary. So IG0004 that is given. IG means input group. We have to convert into BCD to binary. Then we have to subtract the value by 180. Whatever answer is there, then we have to convert this binary to BCD because our output in the form of the BCD. So here we have to take two output modules. First for this output device via conversion if needed, and then next is the BCD display. So here you can see that in this output module the binary number is as it is, but in this output module we have to convert this binary number into the BCD number because our display is the form of in the BCD. So first of all in the program you have to convert this BCD data into the binary. Command will be DB0172. Input is applied IN0037 and source will be IR0004 that is given, and we have to take one destination address HR0207. Now next we have to subtract the value and the value is given 118. So IN0037 operand 1 will be the destination of the above rung. It will be HR0207. Operand 2 that is given in the program that is 118 and the destination OR0067. In the program they will given minus 180, subtract 180. So here instead of 118 you have to write 180 and the command for the subtract that is SB0173. Okay, the value is in the form of the binary, so we have to convert this binary number into the BCD. So command for the binary to BCD is BD0174. We have to take the source from the above round, that is the OR0067. This data will be converted into the BCD number, so destination will be OG0007 and input is enable. It is the compulsory condition for the BCD to binary or to binary to BCD. Clear? Now next possibility is 2 analog in and 2 analog out, 2 analog input whose values are manipulated in the CPU. The values are both added and the subtracted. The sum is sent to the one analog output and the difference is sent out to the another. So here we have to take 2 analog input. Okay, then we have to convert this analog input into the binary number. Then we have to add these 2 numbers and subtract these 2 numbers, and then we have to send the addition answer. That means the sum is sent to the one analog output and the difference is sent to the another analog output. So first of all, we can take 2 input modules. First is the analog sensor converter, again analog sensor converter. Then we have to take input module terminals, and the input of the input module terminals is -5 volt to +5 volt. Then we have to convert this 5 volt to this particular binary number, and this binary number is going to the CPU IR00, IR0101 and IR0102. Then we have to add these 2 numbers and subtract these 2 numbers. Addition will be given to the first output module and subtraction answer will be given to the second output module, and then we have to show the sum for this particular one analog output device and difference for the another analog output device, and the range will be taken 2 milliampere to 10 milliampere and 4 milliampere to 20 milliampere. Okay, so first of all the program we have to add. Okay, so the first question is there, what about 2 analog to binary? So for that you have to apply the process that we have to study in the first session of this analog signal processing. You have to convert this AC into DC, then you have to divide this value, multiply with this number of bits, and then you have to convert into the binary number. So here we have to start with the add value. Okay, and what is the format of the addition? You have to take 2 operands, operand number 1, operand number 2, that is given in this diagram, IR0101 and IR0102, and we have to store this value into the OR0107. Input is applied, addition function is AD0207. So using this rung we have to add the value of IR0101 and IR0102. Now we have to subtract. So simply we have to change the command SV0208. Another format is same. Then after this rung execution, subtract value of the IR0102 from IR0101. So it is very easy. And the last one is the 2 BCD input and 2 analog output. So it has 2 BCD inputs and 2 numerical analog outputs. So you could also mix and match analog and BCD input and the output. So it is very lengthy program. We have to take 2 BCD value, some will A and some will B. Then we have to convert this and BCD value for this particular input module terminals. And then we have to convert this BCD value into the binary. This binary value is given to the CPU IR0006. This is binary number A, and IR0007. This is binary B. Then we have to multiply this binary number, add this binary number, and subtract with 11151, and the answer will be D. Now we have to take 2 analog outputs. So the first output module will be the multiplication of A and B, and the second answer will be C minus 155, that is equal to D. So you have to take the binary number and given to the readout X and readout Y. Readout X is my first analog out and the readout Y is my second analog out. Now 2 BCD in, 2 analog out. That means first of all we have to take two BCD number. Then we have to convert this BCD number to the binary. So IR0006 and HR0081. And the command will be DB0031. It is the conversion of binary number A value and it is the conversion of binary B. Then we have to multiply these two numbers. So the command of the multiplication is MP0032. We have to take operand number 1 from the first row, HR0081, operand 2 in the second row, HR0082, and then we have to store the value in the HR0091. So this is my first analog output. Now we have to add multiplication value will be converted into the BCD. So we have to use the command BD 0034. HR0091 will be converted into OG 0001 BCD. Now we have to add this value. So again we have to take the two operands HR0081 and HR0082 and this destination will be stored in the HR0092. Take the command AD0035. Now whatever answer is there, we have to subtract with the 155. So we have to take HR0092, then 155, it is my operand number 2, and we have to save this answer into destination HR0093. Okay, so using the two BCD to analog output, we have to convert this BCD into the binary. And the last step is D is converted to Y into the BCD number. So whatever destination address in the above rung HR0093 will be converted into OG0002 and the command will be BD0037. So using the analog signal processing, we can easily convert the analog value into the binary, binary into BCD, BCD into binary, or the BCD into the analog output. Depending upon the process, we have to convert this value using the programming and then we have to store this data for this particular location. Thank you everyone. If anyone has doubt, then contact me in my email ID.